next definition is angle between two lines. Let theta be the angle between two lines. Let theta be the angle between two lines, L1 equal to 0 and L2 equal to 0. Nothing but A1x plus B1y plus C1 equal to 0 and A2x plus B2y plus C2 equal to 0. Let theta be the acute angle between the lines L1 equal to 0 and L2 equal to 0. Then cos theta is equal to mod of A1 A2 plus B1 B2 divided by under root of A1 square plus B1 square under root of A2 square plus B2 square. Another formula also is there, angle between two lines. Let theta be the acute angle between the lines. Let theta be the acute angle between the lines L1 equal to 0 and L2 equal to 0. L1 equal to 0 means L1 equal to 0 and L2 equal to 0 and having slopes m1 comma m2 and having slopes m1 comma m2. m1 is slope of first line, m2 is slope of second line. Let theta be the angle between two lines L1 equal to 0 and L2 equal to 0 and having slopes m1 and m2. Then tan theta is equal, already we know that this formula, tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Tan theta is equal to mod of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. m1 is slope of first line and m2 is slope of second line. For example, if two lines are parallel, what are the two lines? L1 is equal to a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and L2 is equal to a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. L1 equal to a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and L2 equal to a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Given these two lines are parallel, what is the condition for generally parallel lines is slope of m1 equal to m2. Given two lines are parallel, if and only if their slopes are equal. For example, the lines a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Two lines are parallel, then slopes are equal. What is m1? Slope of first line. What is m2? Slope of second line. What is the slope of first line? What is the slope? What is the slope of general equation is what my ax plus by plus c equal to 0. What is the slope of general equation of a line is m is equal to minus a by b. What about here? The slope of this line is m is equal to minus a1 by b1. m1 is equal. What is the slope of second line is minus a2 by b2. So you are substituting here, given two lines are parallel. L1 is parallel to L2. Then m1 is minus a1 by b1 equal minus a2 by b2. Minus minus cancel, a1 b2 equal b1 a2. This is condition for the lines are parallel. Given two lines are parallel, if and only if what ma a1 b2 equal to a1 b1 a2 or a1 by a2 equal b1 by b2. a1 by a2 equal b1 by b2. Okay ma. This is condition for parallel lines. Condition for perpendicular lines. What is the condition for perpendicular lines? Given two lines L1 equal to a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and L2 equal to a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0 are perpendicular. What is the condition for perpendicular lines? If two lines are perpendicular, if and only if the product of their slopes equal to minus 1. If their slopes are product of slopes equal to what ma? Minus 1. So here m1 m2 equal to minus 1. So here what is m1 here? Slope of this one minus a1 by b1 into minus a2 by b2 equal to minus 1. Minus and minus plus a1 a2 by b1 b2 equal to minus 1. Then a1 a2 equal to minus b1 b2. So it can be written as a1 a2 plus b1 b2 equal to 0. a1 a2 plus b1 b2 equal to 0. This is condition for perpendicular line. This is condition for what ma? Perpendicular line. L1 and L2 are perpendicular. Given the condition for the perpendicular lines is a1 a2 plus b1 b2 equal to 0. The condition for the parallel lines is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2. This is condition for parallel lines. This is what my condition for perpendicular lines. Now discuss about what my distance between parallel lines. What is the parallel lines? Consider two parallel lines. L1 is equal to ax plus by plus c1 equal to 0 and L2 is equal to ax plus by plus c2 equal to 0. These two are parallel. What is the slope of this line is minus a by b. What is the slope of this line is minus a by b. Slopes are equal. These two lines are parallel. Now discuss about the distance between parallel lines of these two lines is d means the distance between parallel lines mod of c2 minus c1 by under root of a square plus b square. D is equal to mod c2 minus c1 by under root a square plus b square. This is the distance between two parallel lines. Next definition is the put of the perpendicular from p of x1 comma y1 with respect to the straight line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is formula is h minus x1 by a equal to k minus y1 by b equal to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. So here this is the straight line, given straight line here ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. You are taking here q of h comma k is put of the perpendicular from p of x1 comma y1. Let q of h comma k is put of the perpendicular from p of x1 comma y1 to the straight line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So here q point is lies on the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. We get ah plus bk plus c is equal to 0. This is the equation number 1. The point q of h comma k is lies on the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So here now we have to find PQ is perpendicular to the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Now slope of PQ is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, slope of 2 points. We get k minus y1 by h minus x1, and the slope of line is ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is what my here m is equal to minus a by b. So here PQ is perpendicular to ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Then product of slopes equal to minus 1. Given two lines are perpendiculars PQ and given line ax plus by plus c equal to 0, m1 m2 equal to minus 1. So here m1 is, this is m1 is k minus y1 by h minus x1 into minus a by b equal to minus 1. Minus minus cancel here. We get a into k minus y1 is equal to b into h minus x1. It can be written as h minus x1 by a equal to k minus y1 by b. These two equations are similar equations. We get some constant lambda. So here it can be written as h minus x1 by a equal to lambda, k minus y1 by b equal to lambda. Here h minus x1 is equal to a lambda. So here k minus y1 is equal to b lambda. So here h is equal to x1 plus a lambda and k is equal to y1 plus b lambda. So here substituting h comma k in equation number 1. What is the equation number 1 here? Ah plus bk plus c equal to 0. So here a into x1 plus a lambda plus b into y1 plus b lambda plus c is equal to 0. This is equation number 2. Similar equations, h minus x1 by a equal to k minus y1 by b equal to lambda. So here h comma k is substituting in equation number 1. We get ax1 plus a square lambda plus by1 plus b square lambda plus c is equal to 0. Okay ma? So here a square lambda plus b square lambda is equal to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c. So here lambda is taking common, we get a square plus b square. This goes to right hand side, minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. This is equation number 3. From 2 and 3 we get h minus x1 by a equal to k minus y1 by b equal to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. This is the put of the perpendicular from p of x1 comma y1 with respect to the straight line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is h minus x1 by a equal to k minus y1 by b equal to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. This is very important formula. Okay, next point, the image of p of x1 comma y1 with respect to the straight line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is h minus x1 by a equal to k minus y1 by b equal minus 2 into ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. The image of p of x1 comma y1 with respect to the straight line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is h minus x1 by a equal to k minus y1 by b equal to minus 2 into ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. Image means what, my here? With respect to the straight line. This is a straight line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, and this is, let q of h comma k is image of p of x1 comma y1. So here q of h comma k is image of p of x1 comma y1 with respect to the straight line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So here let m be the midpoint of PQ, and image also lies on ax plus by plus c equal to 0. What is the midpoint of these 2 points? We get h plus x1 by 2 k plus y1 by 2. Midpoint of m is what, my here? H plus x1 by 2 k plus y1 by 2. Since the midpoint is lies on the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0, image, this is x and this is y, image lies on this line, we get a into h plus x1 by 2 plus b into k plus y1 by 2 plus c equal to 0. It can be written as ah plus ax1 plus bk plus by1 plus 2c equal to 0. Okay, this is equation number 1. Again we have to find slope of PQ and slope of the line. PQ is perpendicular to, here also perpendicular to ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Now we have to find slope of PQ is k minus y1 by h minus x1, and slope of line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is minus a by b. This is m2 and this is what, m1. So here since PQ is perpendicular to ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, then condition is m1 m2 equal to minus 1. Product of slopes equal to minus 1 given 2 lines are perpendicular. That means k minus y1 by h minus x1 into minus a by b equal to minus 1. We get same here, k minus y1 into a is equal to minus cancel here, b into h minus x1. It can be written as h minus x1 by a equal to k minus y1 by b. These two equations are similar equations. We can take some constant lambda. So we get h minus x1 is equal to a lambda. Here k minus y1 is equal to b lambda. So here h is equal to x1 plus a lambda and k is equal to y1 plus b lambda. Substituting h comma k in equation number 1. What is the equation number 1? h is x1 plus a lambda plus ax1 plus bk, b into y1 plus b lambda plus by1 plus 2c equal to 0. You are substituting h comma k in equation number 1. Okay, ma. We get ax1 plus a square lambda plus ax1 by1 plus b square lambda plus by1 plus 2c equal to 0. So here a square lambda plus b square lambda equal to ax1 plus ax1 2x1 by1 plus by1 2by1 plus 2c is goes to right hand side, minus 2 is taking common, a of x1 plus by1 plus c. So here lambda is taking common, a square plus b square, it is goes to right hand side, lambda is equal to minus 2 into ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. A square plus b square. This is equation number 3, and here similar equation number 2. From 2 and 3, we get h minus x1 by a equal to k minus y1 by b equal to minus 2 of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. This is the image of p of x1 comma y1 with respect to the straight line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Then h minus x1 by a equal k minus y1 by b equal minus 2 into ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. Okay, next point is the image of x1 y1 with respect to x axis is x1 comma minus y1. The image of x1 comma y1 with respect to y axis is minus x1 comma y1. And next point is formula is the image of x1 comma y1 with respect to x is equal to y. The image of x1 y1 with respect to x is equal to y is y1 comma x1. So here next the image of x1 comma y1 with respect to x plus y equal to 0 is minus y1 comma minus x1. The image of x plus y equal to 0, that means x is equal to minus y. X equal to minus y is minus y1 minus x1. So here the image of x1, the image of y is equal to k with respect to x axis. With respect to x axis is y is equal to minus k. The image of y equal to k with respect to x axis is y equal to minus k, and the image of x is equal to k with respect to y axis is x is equal to minus k. These are image formulas. Discuss about centroid. Already we know that this is centroid. The medians of the definition of centroid is the medians of a triangle are congruent. The medians of a triangle are congruent. The point of congruency is called centroid. Here this is A, B, C are three vertices of a triangle. Then the medians of a triangle, this is one of the median, D is midpoint of BC, and E, and this is F. The medians of AD is one of the median, B is one of the median, and CF is another median. The medians of a triangle are concurrent. The point of concurrency is called centroid. It is denoted by capital G. It is denoted by capital G. Here the centroid divides each median in the ratio 2:1. Next, definition of orthocenter. The altitudes of a triangle are concurrent. The point of concurrency is called orthocenter. This is one of the altitude, it is perpendicular. This is another altitude, it is also perpendicular, and this is CF. The altitudes of a triangle are concurrent. The point of concurrency is called orthocenter. It is denoted by O. It is denoted by O. So here AD and B and CF are altitudes of a triangle ABC. We have to find any two altitudes, AD and BE or AD and CF or B and CF. Solving any two equations, we get orthocenter. Next definition is what my here? Circumcenter. The perpendicular bisectors of the sides of a triangle are congruent. The point of congruency is called what ma? Circumcenter. This is A, B, C. Here also ABC are vertices of a triangle ABC. It is the perpendicular bisectors of the sides AB. It is the point of intersection is called circumcenter. It is denoted by S. The perpendicular bisectors of the sides of a triangle are concurrent. The point of concurrency is called circumcenter and it is denoted by S. In a triangle ABC, the length of SA is equal to the length of SB is equal to the length of SC. So, taking here any two conditions, SA equal to SB and SB is equal to SC and SCA is equal to SC. Taking any two conditions, solving the two conditions, we get two equations. Solving the two equations, we get circumcenter. Discuss about incenter. The internal bisectors of angles, of a triangle are congruent. The point of concurrency is called incenter. Here also ABC is vertices of a triangle ABC. ABC are vertices of a triangle. The internal bisectors of angles of a triangle are congruent. The point of concurrency is called incenter and it is denoted by what ma? I. And it is denoted by I. So here let A of x1 comma y1 and B of x2 comma y2 and C of x3 comma y3 are three vertices of a triangle ABC and the length of BC is equal to A and the length of AC equal to B and the length of AB equal to C. Then the incenter of a triangle ABC is I is equal to AX1 plus BX2 plus CX3 by A plus B plus C, comma AY1 plus BY2 plus CY3 by A plus B plus C. This is incenter of a triangle ABC having vertices A of x1 y1 comma B of x2 y2 and C of x3 y3 and the length of A equal to distance BC. Here A equal to BC. So here B is equal to AC and C is equal to length of AB. Then the incenter of the triangle ABC is I equal to AX1 plus BX2 plus CX3 by A plus B plus C, AY1 plus BY2 plus CY3 by A plus B plus C. Next to conditions for collinear points. Condition for collinear points. What is the definition of collinear points? Three or more lines are said to be collinear if they are lying a same line. That is the definition of collinear points. Next to conditions. What is the condition for collinear points? First one is the area of the triangle equal to 0. Area of the triangle is denoted by delta. The area of the triangle equal to 0 and second one is the sum of any two distances equal to other distance. The sum of any two distances. So here A comma B comma C are vertices of a triangle. The condition for collinear points is the sum of any two distances AB plus BC is equal to AC, BC plus AC is equal to AB, AC plus AB is equal to BC. Here satisfying any one condition, therefore given points are collinear points. And third one is the slope of AB equal to the slope of BC. The slope of AB is equal to the slope of BC. 3 points A comma B comma C are collinear points if and only if area of the triangle equal to 0, sum of the any two distances equal to other distance and the slope of AB equal to the slope of BC. Slope of AB means y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Here also applying slope of BC, what ma? x3 minus x2 by y3 minus y2. The slope of AB equal to the slope of BC, therefore given points A, B, C are collinear points. And fourth condition is, first we have to find A, B, C are given three vertices. First we have to find the equation of AB. You have to find equation of AB, and third point is always lies on this equation. The third point is C is lies on equation of AB. Therefore, A, B, C are collinear points. Now start the problem. Straight lines. First one, if the line passing through the points -8, 3, A of B of 2, 1 is parallel to the line passing through C of 11, -1 and D of k, 0. Then the value of k is, first option is 5, second option is 7, third option is 5/2, fourth option is 6. So here solution, given points are A of -8, 3, B of 2, 1 and C of 11, -1 and D of k, 0. The slope of AB, we have to find the slope of AB. Slope of AB formula is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is x1 y1, it is x2 y2. So here 1 minus 3 by 2 plus 8 equal to minus 2 by 10 equal to minus 1 by 5. So here this is what my m1. So here now we have to find the slope of CD is equal to 0 plus 1 by k minus 11 equal to 1 by k minus 11. This is m2 and this is what my m1. Given that the line AB is parallel to CD. Given line, the line AB is parallel to CD. Then condition is what ma? M1 is equal to M2. M1 equal to M2. Slopes are equal. Given two lines are parallel, if and only if their slopes are equal. M1 is equal to minus 1 by 5 and M2 is equal to 1 by k minus 11. Cross multiplication we get minus k plus 11 equal to 5. So here minus k equal to minus 6. So here k is equal to 6. So here option is what my here? Fourth one. Answer is 4. Now start the second problem. If the line x minus y plus 1 plus k into y minus 2x plus 4 equal to 0 makes equal intercepts on the axis, then the value of k is. Options are given 1 by 3, second option 3 by 4, third option 1 by 2 and fourth option is 2 by 3. So here given equation is, what is the given things here? This equation makes equal intercepts. What is the intercept form of a straight line is? X by a plus y by b equal to 1. Equal intercepts means a is equal to b. Okay ma. So here given equation of the line is x minus y plus 1 plus k into y minus 2x plus 4 equal to 0. So here multiplying we get x minus y plus 1 plus ky minus 2kx plus 4k equal to 0. Taking here x is taking common, we get 1 minus 2k plus y is taking common, minus 1 plus k equal to 1 plus 4k is go to right hand side, minus of 1 plus 4k. So here divided by minus of 1 plus 4k, we get x into 1 minus 2k by minus of 1 plus 4k plus y into minus 1 plus k by minus of 1 plus 4k equal to 1. So here x by minus of 1 plus 4k by 1 minus 2k plus y by minus of 1 plus 4k by minus 1 plus k equal to 1. It is the intercept form of a straight line. Given that equation number 1 makes equal intercepts, then what is the condition here? A is equal to b. What is your a equal? Minus of 1 plus 4k divided by 1 minus 2k equal to minus of 1 plus 4k divided by minus 1 plus k. this is cancel, minus also cancel, we get minus 1 plus k is equal to 1 minus 2k. So it can be written as plus 3k equal to 2. So here k is equal to 2 by 3. K is equal to what my here? 2 by 3. What is the answer is here? Answer is here fourth one. If the line 3x plus 4y minus 8 equal to 0 is denoted by L, then the points 2 comma minus 5 comma 2 lies on, first option lie on L, second option lie on same side, and third option lie on opposite side. Fourth one is equidistant from L. Equidistant from L. Solution is, we know that the line L equal to 0 divides the line segment AB. In the ratio is minus L11 is to L22. We know that the formula, but here the ratio in which the line L equal to 0 divides the line segment AB is minus L11 is to L22. What is the minus L11? Substituting first point in L equal to 0, we get L11. Substituting second point in L, we get L22. For example, here minus L11 is to L22 greater than 0, we get, given 2 points are lie on opposite side, minus L11 is to L22 less than 0, then 2 points are lie on same side. Okay ma, that is the definition of ratio of the line L equal to 0 divides the line segment AB is minus L11 is to L22. So here given L is equal to 3x plus 4y minus 8 equal to 0. So you are taking L is equal to 3x plus 4y minus 8. So here what is the first point here? A is 2 comma minus 5. Substituting in L, we get what ma? L11, that is, this is x, this is y. 3 into 2 plus 4 into minus 5 minus 8. 6 minus 20 minus 8 equal to minus 22. So here substituting B of minus 5 comma 2 in L, we get L22, that is 3 into minus 5 plus 4 into 2 minus 8. So here minus 15 plus 8 minus 8 equal to minus 15. Minus 15, 4 to the 8, minus 8. Minus 8 plus 8 cancel, we get minus 15. This is what ma? L22. So here the ratio is minus L11 is to L22 equal to minus L11 is minus 22 is to minus 15. Minus into minus plus 22 is to minus 15. It is nothing but minus 22 is to 15. It is less than 0. Therefore, minus L11 is to L22 less than 0. Therefore, given points 2 comma minus 5 and minus 5 comma 2 lie on same side of the line L equal to 0. So option is what my here? Second one. Now next problem, fourth one. If the lines 3x plus 2y minus 5 equal to 0, comma 2x minus 5y plus 3 equal to 0, comma 5x plus by plus c is equal to 0 are concurrent, then b plus c is equal to option 1 7, option 2 minus 5, 3, 6, fourth option is 9. Given lines are concurrent. Okay ma. So here mod of A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2 and A3, B3, C3 equal to 0. This is the condition for concurrent lines. And another method is solving any two equations. We get point of concurrency, that is substituting third one. We get the concurrent points. Given lines are 3x plus 2y minus 5 equal to 0. This is equation number 1. 2x minus 5y plus 3 equal to 0. This is equation number 2. And 5x plus by plus c equal to 0. This is equation number 3. Given that the lines are concurrent, then A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2 and A3, B3, C3 equal to 0. That means 3, 2 minus 5, 2 minus 5, 3, 5, B, C equal to 0. It can be written as, what my here, 3 into minus 5, 3, B, C minus 2 into 2, 3, 5, C minus 5 into 2 minus 5, 5B equal to 0. Minus 5 equal to 2 minus 5, 5B. 3 into minus 5C plus 3B minus 2 into 2C minus 15 minus 5 into 2B plus 25 equal to 0. Okay, minus 15C plus 9B minus 15C plus 9B minus 4C plus 30 minus 10B minus 125 equal to 0. What is here? 9B plus minus 10B is, so my here minus 5C minus 3B. So here minus 3B. So here minus 9B. Minus 9B minus 10B minus 19B minus 15C minus 4C minus 19C, 30 minus 125 minus 95 equal to 0. So here minus 19 B minus 19C is equal to 95. Minus 19C is taking common, B plus C is equal to 95. So here B plus C is equal to 95 by minus 19 equal to what ma? Minus 5. Therefore B plus C is equal to minus 5. So your answer is second one. Okay, next problem, fifth one. Equation of the line passing through the point of intersection of the lines, 2x plus 3y minus 1 equal to 0, 3x plus 4y minus 6 equal to 0, and perpendicular to 5x minus 2y minus 7 equal to 0 is options 2x plus 5y minus 19 equal to 0. Second option is 2x plus 5y minus 7 plus 17 equal to 0. Third option is 2x plus 5y minus 16 equal to 0. Fourth option is 2x plus 5y minus 22 equal to 0. First we have to find here the equation of the line passing through the point of intersection of the lines. We have to find the point of intersection of these two lines. We get point, one point P, and perpendicular to this line we have to find the slope of this line. For example, the slope of that line is m and perpendicular line is what ma? Minus 1 by m. So here perpendicular slope and point by using point slope form, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. the point of intersection of these two lines we get point, and we have to find perpendicular slope of this line by using slope point form. What is the options are given here? 2x plus 5y minus 19 equal to 0, 2x plus 5y plus 17 equal to 0, and 2x plus 5y minus 16 equal to 0, and fourth option is 2x plus 5y minus 22 equal to 0. Okay, here solution. First we have to find point of intersection of first two lines. Point of intersection. Already we know that method. Point of intersection of two lines. Point of intersection of 2x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0, and 3x plus 4y minus 6 equal to 0. This is equation number 2. Point of intersection, we know that x, y, 1. Cross multiplication method. Point of intersection method is what? Cross multiplication method. So here what here taking first method is y coefficient 3, constant coefficient minus 1, x coefficient 2, again taking y coefficient 3. And second line is y coefficient is what? 4, constant term is minus 6, x coefficient is 3, again y coefficient is what? 4. Cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication method, x by 3 into minus 6, minus 18, minus, the formula is minus 4 into minus 1, minus 4, minus into minus plus 4 equal to y by minus 1 into 3, minus 3, minus, first write down here minus, after that minus 6 into 2, minus 12, minus into minus plus 12 equal to 1 by 2 into 4, 8, 3 into 3, 9, minus 9. So here x by minus 14 equal to y by 9 equal to 1 by minus 1. So here equating first one and last one, second one and last one. X by minus 14 equal to 1 by minus 1, y by 9 is equal to 1 by minus 1. So we get x is equal to 14, y is equal to minus 9. X is minus minus cancel, x equal to 14, y is equal to what? Minus 9. So here point of intersection is, we get what here? Point is p of x comma y is equal to 14 comma minus 9. Point is there. So here we have to find slope of this line. What is the slope of this line? Slope of 5x minus 2y minus 7 equal to 0. So here slope is minus a by b. Minus a by b means minus 5 by minus 2 equal to pi by 2. What is the perpendicular slope? Perpendicular slope is minus 2 by 5. This is what? M. Minus slope by minus 2 by 5. M is the slope of the line, then perpendicular slope is minus 1 by m. Minus 1 by m means slope of m is pi by 2. Minus 1 by m means minus 2 by 5. What is the equation of the straight line is? Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1. What is the point here? y1 is minus 9. Y plus 9 equal to m is minus 2 by 5 perpendicular slope, and x minus x1. x1 is 14. So here x minus 14. 5 into y, 5y plus 45 minus 2x minus and minus plus 28. So you are taking one side 2x plus 5y, 45 minus 28. 45 minus 28 how much? 27. 17 equal to 0. So your answer is second one. Sixth one. If 2x plus 3y plus 4 equal to 0 and lambda x plus ky plus 2 equal to 0 are identical lines, then 3 lambda minus 2k equal to first option 1, second option 0, third option minus 1, fourth option is 2. Identical lines. Identical lines means same lines. So here given lines a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Given two equations represents identical lines. Condition is a1 by a2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. This is the condition for identical lines, nothing but same lines. This is the condition for given identical lines. Solution: given lines are 2x plus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. This is equation number 1. Lambda x plus ky plus 2 equal to 0. This is equation number 2. 1 and 2 are identical lines. 1 and 2 are what? Identical lines. Then condition is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. So here 2 by lambda equal to 3 by k equal to 4 by 2. 2 by lambda is equal to 4 by 2. 3 by k is equal to 4 by 2. Equating first one last one and second one last one. So here 4 is equal to 4 lambda, then lambda is equal to 1. 6 is equal to 4 lambda, then 4k. So here k is equal to 6 by 4 is equal to 3 by 2. Now we have to find 3 lambda minus 2k. So here 3 into 1 minus 2 into 3 by 2. So here 2 cancel. Equal to 3 minus 3 equal to what? 0. Answer is second one. Next problem, 7th one. If the straight line drawn through the point root 3 comma 2 p of making an angle pi by 6 with x-axis meets the line root 3x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0 at q. Then PQ is, the length of PQ is, first option 4, second option 5, third option 6, fourth option 9. This is x-axis and y-axis, x o x dash and y o y dash, positive direction of the x-axis. So here this is a line makes an angle pi by 6, nothing but 30 degrees, and this straight line is passes through p of root 3 comma 2. The straight line drawn through the point p of root 3 comma 2 making an angle pi by 6 with x-axis, positive direction of x-axis, meets the line. This is a line, given line root 3x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0. Root 3 line at q. You have to find q. Okay, here q of, we can take h comma k, q of x comma y. Q of x comma y. So here we have to find length of PQ. The length of PQ is equal to let small r. Let the length of PQ equal what? Small r. So here solution is, what is your given line is root 3x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0, and theta is equal to pi by 6, 30 degrees. The parametric form of a straight line is q of x comma y is equal to x1 plus r cos theta, y1 plus r sin theta, by using what? Parametric form of a straight line, x1 plus r cos theta, y1 plus r sin theta. So here given point is p of root 3 comma 2. This is x1, y1. Substituting here, we have to find q of x comma y. x1 is root 3 plus r. What is my here? Length of PQ equal to, let length of PQ equal to what my here? R. So here root 3 plus r cos 30 comma 2 plus r sin 30. So here equal to root 3 plus r cos 30 is root 3 by 2. 2 plus r sin 30 is 1 by 2. This is q of x comma y. Since q of x comma y is lies on the line lies on the line root 3x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0. That means root 3 into root 3 plus r root 3 by 2, this is x and this is y. So here minus 4 into y, 2 plus r by 2 plus 8 equal to 0. So here 3 plus 3r by 2 minus 8 minus 2r plus 8 equal to 0. It can be written as 3r minus 2. Okay, ma? Minus 8 minus 2r plus 8. Okay. So here minus 8 plus 8 cancel. 3r by 2. 3r by 2 minus 2r equal to minus 3 and 3r minus 4r equal to minus 6r. So here minus 6. So 3r minus 4r means minus r is equal to minus 6. So here r equal to what, ma? 6. Answer is 3. Eighth one. The area of the triangle formed by the lines x equal to 0, y equal to 0 and the line x sin 18 degrees plus cos 36 degrees plus 1 equal to 0. 1, second option is 2, third option is 3, fourth option is 4. The area of the triangle formed by the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is c square by 2 into mod ab. The area of the triangle formed by the straight line x by a plus y by b equal to 1. So here the area of the triangle formed by the straight line x by a plus y by b equal to 1 on the coordinate axis of mod AB, and direct the area of the triangle formed by the straight line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is c square by 2 into mod AB. This is intercept form. This is general equation of a straight line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So your solution is, given line is x sin 18 degrees plus y cos 36 degrees plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, this is equation number 1. The area of the triangle formed by the line 1 is delta equal to c square by 2 into mod AB. Delta is equal to c is what, my here? 1 square 2 into sin 18 degrees into cos 36 degrees. So here delta is equal to 1 by 2 into sin 18 root 5 minus 1 by 4 and cos 36 root 5 plus 1 by 4. So here delta is equal to 1 by 2 into mod of root 5 minus 1 into root 5 plus 1, a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square means root 5 square minus 1 square, 5 minus 4, 4 by 16. So your delta is equal 4 1 by 2. So here it is what, ma? 2. So here 4 is 16, 1 by 4, 2 into 2, 4, 1 by 2 is there, 1 by 1 by 2. So here 1 by mod of 1 by 2 equal to what, ma? 2. Answer is second one. Ninth one, a line passing through the points 7, 2 minus 3, 2. Then the image of the line, in x-axis is, first one, y is equal to 4, second option y is equal to 9, third option y is equal to minus 1, fourth option y is equal to minus 2. So here First we have to find equation of the line passing through given 2 points 7, 2 and -3, 2. After that we have to find image of that line with respect to x-axis is solution. Given points are A of 7, 2 and B of -3, 2. The equation of the straight line AB is y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1, y minus 2 minus 2 by -3 minus 7 x minus 7, y minus 2 equal to 0 by something is 0, it is 0 by something is 0, y minus 2 equal to 0. So here y is equal to 2. Okay ma, the equation of the line passing through given 2 points is y equal to 2. We have to find image of this line. The image of y is equal to k with respect to x axis is y is equal to minus k. So what about here? Therefore the image of y is equal to 2 with respect to x axis is what ma? Y is equal to minus 2. Option is fourth one. Option is what ma? Fourth one. 10th one, the image of 1, 2 with respect to the line x plus y plus 2 equal to 0 is, options are 4, 3, minus 4, minus 3. Third option is minus 4, 3 and fourth option is 4, minus 3. Solution. We know that the formula is the image of P of x1, y1 with respect to the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is h minus x1 by a, k minus y1 by b, minus 2 into ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. The image of given point with respect to the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is formula here. So here now we have to find the image of 1, 2. Let q of h, k is the image of p of 1, 2 with respect to the line x plus y plus 2 equal to 0 is, what here, h minus x1, it is x1, it is y1, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, c is equal to 2. So here h minus x1 means 1, h minus 1 by a 1, k minus 2 by 1 equal to minus 2 into a is 1, ax1, a into 1, 1 into 1 plus by1, 1 into 2 plus 2 divided by 1 square plus 1 square. So here h minus 1 equal to k minus 2 equal to minus 2 into 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 2, 2, total 5 by 2, 2 cancel. So here h minus 1 is equal to minus 5, second one k minus 2 equal to minus 5, h is equal to minus 4, k is equal to minus 3. So here h comma k is equal to, so here h comma k is equal to minus 4 comma minus 3. Answer is